Hello and welcome back. And for today, we are going to talk about the best crypto tax software. Navigating the complex world of cryptocurrency taxes can be daunting, but with the right tools, it doesn't have to be. These four crypto tax software platforms offer a comprehensive solution to help users track transactions, generate accurate tax reports, and optimize their tax liabilities. Whether you're a casual investor or a professional trader, these platforms provide user-friendly interface, robust features, and reliable support to simplify the crypto tax reporting process. First on the list is Coinly. Coinly is a comprehensive cryptocurrency tax software launched in 2018, designed to help users track their crypto transactions and generate tax reports. It supports over 23,000 cryptocurrencies and integrates with more than 400 exchanges and wallets. Coinly is available in over 20 countries, making it suitable for international users. The platform is user-friendly and provides features for both casual investors and professional traders, aiming to simplify the often complex task of crypto tax reporting. Now, let's talk about some of its features. Coinly offers a range of features, including automated transaction imports, portfolio tracking, and tax report generation compliant with local regulations. It supports DeFi, NFT transactions, and various cost-basis methods like FIFO and LIFO. Users can also access tax loss harvesting tools and detailed audit reports. The platform provides a free version of tracking transactions but requires a paid plan for tax report generation. Coinly's smart transfer matching helps avoid unnecessary taxes by recognizing transactions between wallets. Coinly's pricing structure includes a free plan that allows users to track up to 10,000 transactions but does not include tax report generation. Paid plans start at $49 per year for the newbie plan, $99 for the holder plan, and $199 for the trader plan. For users with more than 1,000 transactions, custom plans are available. All plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Next on the list is Zen Ledger. Zen Ledger is a cryptocurrency tax software that simplifies tax reporting for crypto investors and traders. Founded in 2017, it caters to users in the United States and offers a user-friendly interface for tracking transactions across multiple exchanges and wallets. Zen Ledger aims to provide accurate tax calculations and reporting, ensuring compliance with the IRS regulations. Its focus on security and ease of use makes it a popular choice among crypto enthusiasts. Now, let's talk about some of its features. Zen Ledger supports over 400 exchanges and wallets, allowing users to import transactions seamlessly. It provides detailed tax reports, including Form 8949 and Schedule D, and offers tax loss harvesting features to help optimize tax liabilities. The platform also includes a portfolio tracker, real-time profit and loss calculations, and support for DeFi and NFT transactions. Zen Ledger's customer support is available to assist users with any questions regarding tax reporting. Zen Ledger's pricing plans are tiered based on the number of transactions. The Silver plan is priced at $49 per year and caters to users with up to 100 transactions. This plan includes essential features such as detailed tax reports and support for various transaction types, including DeFi and NFTs. It's an excellent choice for casual investors looking to manage their crypto taxes efficiently without incurring high costs. The Gold plan, available for $199 per year, accommodates users with up to 5,000 transactions. This plan offers comprehensive features, including detailed tax reports and support for complex transactions like staking and DeFi. Ideal for active traders, the Gold Plan provides the tools necessary to navigate the intricacies of crypto tax reporting while ensuring compliance with regulations. For users with extensive transaction histories, the Platinum plan is available for $399 per year and supports up to 15,000 transactions. This plan includes all the features of the Gold plan, along with advanced reporting capabilities and priority customer support. It's perfect for professional traders and investors who require robust solutions to manage their crypto tax obligations effectively. Next is Blockbit. Blockbit, formerly known as Accounting, is a cryptocurrency tax software that provides users with tools to manage their crypto portfolios and generate tax reports. Launched in 2018, Blockbit is designed for both individual investors and accountants, offering features tailored to various user needs. The platform is particularly popular in Europe, where it complies with local tax regulations, making it a suitable choice for users in multiple jurisdictions. Now, let's talk about some of its features. Blockbit supports over 400 exchange and wallets, enabling automatic transaction imports for accurate tracking. It provides comprehensive tax reports that comply with local regulations and offers features like tax loss harvesting and portfolio analysis. The platform also includes a user-friendly dashboard, real-time profit tracking, and integration with popular tax software. Blockbit emphasizes security and user privacy, ensuring that sensitive information is protected. When it comes to pricing, the Lite plan is priced at $49 per year and supports up to 50 transactions. This entry-level option is ideal for casual investors who need basic tax reporting features. It allows users to track their crypto portfolio and generate tax reports for a limited number of transactions, making it a cost-effective solution for those just starting in cryptocurrency space. The basic plan costs $109 per year and accommodates up to 1,000 transactions. This plan is perfect for active traders who require more comprehensive reporting capabilities. In addition to portfolio tracking, it includes tax optimization features, enabling users to manage their tax liabilities effectively. The basic plan provides the necessary tools for individuals looking to navigate the complexities of crypto taxation. The Pro plan is available for $269 per year and supports up to 25,000 transactions. This plan is designed for serious traders and investors who need advanced features and insights. Along with the portfolio tracking and tax reporting, it offers tax optimization tools and advanced performance indicators. The Pro plan is an excellent choice for those who engage in frequent trading and require detailed reporting. The Unlimited plan is priced at $639 per year and allows for up to 500,000 transactions. This plan is tailored for high-volume traders and businesses that requires extensive transaction support. It includes all features from the Pro plan, along with unlimited tax report generation for tax year. The Unlimited plan ensures that users can manage their crypto tax obligations efficiently regardless of transaction volume. Next on the list is CoinLedger. CoinLedger is a cryptocurrency tax software designed to simplify the tax reporting process for crypto investors and traders. Founded in 2018, CoinLedger supports users in the United States and other countries, providing tools to track transactions and generate accurate tax reports. The platform is known for its ease of use and efficient integration with various exchanges and wallets, making it a popular choice for both beginners and experienced traders. Now, let's talk about some of its features. CoinLedger allows users to import transactions from over 300 exchanges and wallets, providing a comprehensive view of their crypto activities. It generates detailed tax reports, including Form 8949 and Schedule D, and offers features for tax loss harvesting. The platform also includes a portfolio tracker, real-time profit and loss calculations, and support for DeFi and NFT transactions. CoinLedger's customer support is available to help users navigate tax reporting challenges. When it comes to pricing, the free plan allows users to import their entire crypto transaction history and track portfolio gains and losses without any cost. This plan is ideal for casual investors who want to explore CoinLedger's features before committing to a paid plan. While users can track their transactions freely, they will need to pay for the full tax report generation, making it a great start point for beginners. The hobbyist plan is priced at $49 per year and allows users to manage up to 100 transactions. This plan is ideal for casual investors who engage in limited trading activities. It offers essential features such as portfolio tracking and tax report generation, making it a cost-effective solution for individuals who need basic crypto tax reporting without overwhelming complexity. The investor plan costs $99 annually and supports up to 1,500 transactions. This plan is designed for regular investors who engage in moderate trading activities. It includes all the features of the hobbyist plan, along with enhanced reporting capabilities and tax loss harvesting tools. This makes it suitable for users looking to optimize their tax strategies while managing a growing portfolio. Available for $199 per year, the Pro plan accommodates up to 5,000 transactions, catering to serious traders and professionals. This plan offers comprehensive reporting features, including advanced tax loss harvesting and integration with major tax platforms like TurboTax. It's an excellent choice for users who require robust tools to manage their extensive crypto transactions and ensure accurate tax reporting. In conclusion, choosing the right crypto tax software is essential for ensuring accurate reporting and compliance with tax regulations. Each of the platforms offer unique features that cater to various user needs, making them valuable tools for both novice and experienced investors. By leveraging these platforms, you can streamline your tax reporting process, minimize potential liabilities, and focus more on your crypto investments, ultimately enhancing your overall financial management. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.